Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics. My name is Eccentrics. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button for future notifications when I upload new content, which is on a daily or weekly basis. I am so excited and so happy that you guys are watching my channel. It's been less than actually 2 weeks, and we've actually had, as of a milestone happening today, over 2,000 views as of about 5 hours ago. So keep watching, keep subscribing, and make sure that you share and tell all your girlfriends, and men out there, tell all your friends as well that Eccentrics has something to say. I always have something to talk about, and it's always exciting. So, that being said, I just received a package in the mail from Amazon. I wonder what it could be. The unveiling will be happening on Friday or Saturday as well, and a full review of whatever's inside of it will be done at that time. And I'm so excited to share with you that we will also be doing some interesting new stuff happening this weekend as well. So that being said, I want to thank all my viewers for watching and subscribing to my channel. I'm Eccentrics. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your feedback, and I appreciate your comments as well. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. We've passed Hump Wednesday, we're into Thursday, and I wish all of you a very happy Valentine's Day tomorrow. Kisses and love from Eccentrics, and kisses and love from here at Studio 111. Cheers, everyone, and make sure that you're always you.